These tech stocks offer attractive dividend yields. Tech stocks aren't necessarily known for their dividend payouts, but these three offer attractive yields. Qualcomm. Qualcomm has increased its dividend for over 20 years. International Business Machines. IBM is a dividend aristocrat. Oracle. A safe 1.7% dividend yield makes Oracle look enticing. Let's dive in. Here are the three technology stocks that pay strong dividends. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. When investors are looking for dividend stocks to buy, they may not immediately think of technology stocks. After all, tech stocks are generally associated with capital gains through share price appreciation, not dividends, since many tech stocks do not pay dividends. However, this has begun to change. The technology sector contains many reliable, high-yield dividend stocks. This video will discuss three blue-chip tech stocks with solid dividend yields and high dividend growth potential. Number 1. Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a semiconductor manufacturer that develops and sells integrated circuits for use in voice and data communications. The chip maker receives royalty payments for its patents used in devices that are on 3G, 4G, and 5G networks. Qualcomm has a current market capitalization of $149 billion and has annual sales of about $38 billion. On May 3rd, the company reported second quarter financial results. Revenue of $9.27 billion fell 17% year over year as the company faced difficult comparisons to a very successful 2022, as well as the impact of a slowing global economy. Adjusted earnings per share of $2.15 missed estimates by 1 cent. Total QCT revenue and handsets revenue fell 17%, partially offset by a 20% increase in revenue from its automotive segment. Qualcomm expects quarterly revenue between $8.1 billion and $8.9 billion for the current quarter. The company has grown earnings per share at a rate of 6.6% per year over the last decade. An agreement with Apple and Huawei, a lower share count, and leadership in 5G should allow the company to grow in the coming years. The components that Qualcomm produces are considered to be the best available, so phone makers will likely continue using the company's products in future iterations of their devices. This is especially true as 5G launches continue to occur. Qualcomm has increased its dividend for 21 consecutive years. With a dividend payout ratio under 40%, the dividend appears highly secure. Shares currently yield 2.9%. Number 2. International Business Machines. International Business Machines is a global information technology company that provides integrated enterprise solutions for software, hardware, and services. IBM's focus is running mission-critical systems for large, multinational customers and governments. IBM typically provides end-to-end solutions. After the spin-off of Kyndryl, its managed infrastructure business, the company now has 4 business segments: software, consulting, infrastructure, and financing. IBM had annual revenue of about $60.5 billion in 2022. IBM reported results for first quarter 2023 on April 19th. Company-wide revenue grew 0.4% to $14.25 million from $14.19 million. Diluted adjusted earnings per share fell 3% to $1.36 from $1.40 on a year-over-year basis. Diluted generally accepted accounting principles earnings per share increased to $1.02 in the quarter from 73 cents in the prior year on lower expenses and higher margins on better pricing. Also, IBM's revenue and earnings are being impacted by the strong U.S. dollar, causing a 4% headwind. Revenue for software increased 2.6% to $5.92 million from $5.77 million in comparable quarters due to 2% growth in hybrid platform and solutions and a 3% increase in transaction processing. Revenue was up 8% for Red Hat, down 1% for automation, up 1% for data and AI, and down 1% for security. Consulting revenue increased 2.8% to $4.96 million from $4.82 million due to a 1% rise in business transformation, a 1% decline in technology consulting, and 7% growth in application operations. IBM's competitive strength is its brand, entrenched customer relations, and extensive patent portfolio. IBM is also the market leader in mainframe computers, where it has 90% of the market and little competition. IBM is a different company after the Kyndryl spinoff, but it should still be recession-resistant. The nature of mission-critical IT enterprise systems and software makes this unlikely to change in the near future. IBM has increased its dividend for over 25 years, making it a dividend aristocrat. Shares currently yield 5.4%. Number 3. Oracle Corporation. Oracle is an information technology company that provides software, hardware, and services. Its offerings include applications, platforms, infrastructure technologies, cloud software, hardware products such as servers, hardware-related software products, operating systems, and services such as consultation and education. Oracle reported its most recent quarterly results for its fiscal third quarter on March 9th. The company announced that it generated revenues of $12.4 billion during the quarter, which represents an increase of 18% year over year. Growth was positively impacted by mergers and acquisitions, which is why Oracle grew faster than the average over the last couple of years. Oracle generated earnings per share of $1.22 during the third quarter, which was up 8% versus the prior year's quarter and beat the consensus estimate slightly. For the current fiscal year, Oracle is forecasting that it will grow its revenues meaningfully, while earnings per share should be up slightly this year. Oracle is not operating a cloud business as large as some of its peers, but it still is generating attractive growth in the markets it addresses. Infrastructure as a service, as well as platform as a service, are markets that are growing at a fast pace. They should allow Oracle to maintain an attractive cloud computing growth rate going forward. Oracle's dividend payout ratio was extremely low a decade ago, but since then, the payout ratio has risen relatively consistently. At a payout ratio of less than 30%, the dividend is very manageable, and there is still a lot of room for further dividend increases. Due to the low payout ratio and the fact that the company was not impacted to a large degree during the last financial crisis, Oracle's dividend is rated very safe. The stock currently yields 1.7%. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.